channel. We're at the loading dock of the Ritz Carlton. We're going to be creating their Christmas sand sculpture again this year. Merry Christmas. And we've got a lot of sand to bring in. I'm here with June and I'm here with Co. This will be fun. Stick with us, see how this one turns out. All right, we're now loading in the sand and the stage is set up well, and they've even painted the floor and they've put on the cover plate. It's all looking good. Nice work, June.
Sorry. I'm like, oh yay, I love to watch the progress of it all.
Nice. Well, welcome to the Ritz Carlton.
Oh, we
Thanks
love it
for
here.
coming.
You guys always do such a great job.
Thank you so much for appreciating our artwork.
Oh, absolutely. Have a great day.
Happy holiday. Get ready for the tree. The tree is going to come here today, and they've got the crane and the crew that's putting in the support. It's a good day. We planted a garden at the house of the Christmas ornament, and it's growing, and we're going to check up on it. Co, hand me the spray bottle and we'll water it today. And hopefully it'll survive and prosper. There's the tree. And they're gonna be working all day today and tomorrow, decorating it with ornaments. How cool is that? Bringing more sand to the Ritz Carlton. I think this is, let's see, this is 10, and yesterday we brought 16, and the day before that it was 2 van loads, I think. No, the first day was 2 van loads, then it was 1 van load, then it was 16, then it's 10. Wow, trying to keep it all straight.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
And June, great job with this. What do you think?
Wow, tired. It's 5 days.
5 days in a row, huh?
Right.
You guys were troopers. You hung through it.
Yeah.
And what a wonderful accomplishment. The property here at the Ritz Carlton, they're very happy and they appreciate all the hard work that we've done.
Well,
Thank you so
everybody passing by, you know, just amazed and appreciate and excited and happy.
Compliments.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of compliments.
Yep.
In fact, somebody even said they liked the ribbon hanging off the side of the present that June did. How cool was that? Nice work, June. These faces that you created are so whimsical and fun.
Amazing.
Just, yeah, amazing work, you guys. Thank you so much for helping the Ritz Carlton make this holiday season the best it can be.
Well, Merry Christmas.
Yeah,
Happy
Merry
holidays.
Christmas and Happy Holidays, huh? Well, we're wrapping it up here at the Ritz Carlton. If you like this video, smash the like button. Remember to subscribe. You don't want to miss our next adventure in sand. We got a lot on the plate, so stick with us and see how it all turns out. Signing off from the Ritz Carlton. We'll see you again soon, everybody. Bye.